Hi guys! So ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang isang fishing reel from Bear King. So this fishing reel is basically, it has gotten popular recently. Ang raming orders ng fishing reel na to. If you follow me on TikTok, I make videos on TikTok. I do affiliate marketing. I work with different brands. These brands sent me a free sample. And I also work with Bear King directly. And they sent a unit of the Bear King Assassin. So ito yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon because napaka-mabenta nito recently, especially with the saltwater angling community. Now, ang tanong, is this reel worth your money and attention? I would say, straight to the point, yes. Itong Bear King Assassin, kung titingnan nyo pa lang yung body and yung rotor, may pagka-similar sa Shimano reels. And kung titingnan niyo yung Shimano Ultegra, yung ganun yung color, if yung Shimano Ultegra gawin yung gray katulad ng Shimano Nasi, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. Very similar yung body and even yung rotor. Yung spool niya, it actually resembles more yung sa Shimano Nasi. Although sa Shimano Nasi, black yung half ng spool, ito naman light gray. In terms of performance, itong reel na to, I actually looked at the gearing. I looked at the pinion gear. Kung precise ba yung kanilang pagka-manufacture, wala bang deformity. So far, very precise, very smooth yung kanilang pag-manufacture ng gears sa reel na to. And I could actually test it ngayon. So, yung resistance test is what I do para I could determine kung how much force do I need to make the gears start turning sa isang fishing reel. So, I will do the test now. So, tingnan nyo, itulak ko lang ng konti. Napaka-smooth ng reel na to. So, the gearing is actually very smooth. Very comparable to Shimano reels. And I've actually looked at the drag system. So, with the drag system ng reel na to is actually higher than other reels. Although, yung mga ibang reels, especially Daiwa, Shimano, and other reels, they are focused on making the lifespan of their drag washers longer. Ito naman, pure performance lang because ang drag capacity niya is 20 kilograms. Mas mataas pa sa Shimano Torium na overhead reel na meron ako. So, this 20 kilogram drag capacity is actually very surprising for me because I have reels na mas mababa pa and they cost way more. Ito, ang presyo niya, affordable pero napaka-taas ng kanyang drag capacity. So, if you want a pure performance na reel na doesn't care about the longevity of your drag washers, ang gusto lang ng reel na to just to deliver pure performance, I suggest you could use this Bear King Assassin. Although, washers are actually replaceable, and I'm just actually very surprised na ganun yung drag capacity ng reel na to, 20 kilograms. And aside from the gearing, hulaan nyo kung ilan ang bearings ng reel na to. 9 plus 1. And yes, since this reel is a saltwater reel, marketed as a saltwater reel, actually nakalagay siya, saltwater concept, itong 9 plus 1 bearings niya are stainless steel bearings and they are also sealed bearings. So, very suitable for saltwater. And the 6,000 size, actually, may kasama na siyang power knob. And tingnan nyo naman ang smoothness. Very comparable sa Gumexus handles. So, I'm actually very surprised sa reel na to aside sa features, performance, and the overall build quality. I'm actually very surprised na ganito lang yung presyo niya. And I understand that itong mga reels na to, like the Shimano and Daiwas, they create these reels. They do their research and development. And to cover the cost of the, or to recoup the cost of their research and development of those reels, they actually need to price their reel sa medyo may kataasan na presyo. But with these reels that, especially this is from China, where China basically manufacture other reels for different brands. they actually got the technology to produce something like this. And nowadays, you don't actually need expensive gear to fish. Itong mga reels na to, yung mga high-end reels to medium-end reels ng mga Japanese manufacturers, those technology has been trickling down even to the cheapest reels from different makers and manufacturers. So yes, I actually do think that this reel is actually a very good reel, especially napaka-affordable niya. So if you want a offshore na saltwater fishing reel that you could use for trolling, you could use for jigging, fast jig or slow pitch jigging, the Bear King Assassin is something that I actually recommend. And I want to mention, bago ko makalimutan, bago ko makaligtaan, ang kaibahan lang, itong mga reels na to actually do have the anti-reverse switch. Although sa ating mga saltwater anglers, we mostly rely sa ating drag, but we also do have the saltwater reel na meron siyang anti-reverse switch. And yes, actually, yung mga Bear King reels, most of them, especially yung nasa mga affordable nila na price range, have meron silang anti-reverse switch. But if you get into the more expensive reels ni Bear King, for example, this Zeus na 800 size, this is a carbon fiber body, by the way. This is one of their lightest reel. Ano siya, wala siyang anti-reverse switch. Even yung Bear King na Assassin, the Bear King Athena 3, wala ring mga anti-reverse switch.